How to delete memories on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete memories on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here in top corner, and after that click these 3 points, and that's it. Now go to memories, and that's it. And here you can delete all your memories on BeReal. And if you want to delete any memory here, just select it and click these 3 points and then click delete, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.